Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna tamp down the pool pad that I've been working on. So I'm gonna work on mainly just tamping and compacting the back end of the pool pad where I've been adding dirt. It needs to go down roughly at least 2 to 3 inches. If I can get it to go 4 inches with this, then I'm gonna call it good. I might drive it on it with my truck a little bit after I get it tamped, depending on where the level's at. I'm gonna get super packed, and then I'm gonna come back through and rake out and try to make sure that I've got all my low spots filled and where it's really very, very flat. So hope you enjoyed today's live. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and help us get to 500 subscribers. We're gonna go to 500, 1,000, and then we're going all the way to 1,000,000 subscribers. So help us out with that. Jump onto the train early on. We just left the station and we're gonna go all the way to our final destination. So join the journey and tag along as we make this property, this beautiful property, as magnificent as it possibly can be. So here we go, enjoy the clips. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. Then we're going to 1,000, and then all the way to 1,000,000. So jump on the train. We're just leaving the station, and join the journey of making and doing things here at this beautiful property, just to make things even more magnificent for ages to come. So I accidentally didn't video me running my string, but I did a perimeter pattern with an X pattern in the middle, and I'm going to measure off of that to see exactly where I'm at level wise, and see where I need to move dirt around to kind of really make things super level, super flat. So I'm going to time lapse it. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the clip. To enshrine what I just measured into the public record for my own purposes, really. So this, let's see, this corner over here is really at grade. This corner right here is really at grade. So those corners are at equal height. And then as you work towards the middle cross section down that diagonal line from each of those corners, you're basically at a 1 inch variance over that span, which is going to be roughly towards the middle. It's going to be about a 12 to 14 foot span probably. So that's actually pretty good. I still want to kind of like smooth it out and level it out with a rake. I'll be able to eyeball that though with a rake that within that variance. So this corner right here is actually my lowest point, and it is approximately 2 inches off from those other two corners I was just talking about. So it's at 24.5 from the string. And the other two corners that I was just talking about are at 22.5, so 24.5 over here, and then 22.5 at those other two corners. This one back over here, there, that corner, I think I'm there, it's at 20.5, so it's my highest point. So I've got my lowest point and highest point, and that highest point is at 20.5. So it's approximately 2 inches too high. This point over here is approximately 2 inches too low. So essentially I just need to take dirt from that direction and rake it towards over here. And as you measure down those lines, they're about a 1 inch variance off of themselves as well, which is good. So I should be able to do all this with a rake. Rake it out, as long as I'm moving dirt from that area over here to this low area over here. Then it's just a matter of moving dirt in a way to smooth the curves, smooth the edges, and be able to eyeball it. And I'll be able to tell that by hand, by eye. So I'll do that. I'm gonna make a couple more measurements real quick down the perimeter, just to kind of see, because I know there's some sections I need to work on there as well. So just enshrining this for the record, and I hope you got something out of that.